Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Skyroot Chest. I'll show you two ways on how you can get it and what's in the Skyroot Chest that you can obtain, that you can get. Anyways, so the first one is you can actually buy it from the giant. If you go to what are you selling, make sure you get the level up your friendship points with him first, and then you can buy the Skyroot Chest. What you can get Crown of Thorns, which I haven't actually. Yeah, I don't think I've gotten that yet. Elk, Calla Lily, Mandrake, Cyclamens, I don't know how to pronounce that, and the Griffin, which everybody wants. I haven't gotten that yet. So you can either purchase it or you can craft it here. As you can see, I'm crafting right now. But what you need is a sprout seed pack, 1 sprout egg, and 2 beanstalk crops, and 7.5 million shekels to make one. And that is it. It's your choice if you want to purchase it or craft it. Then you can just open it and hope for the best. I haven't gotten lucky. I've gotten a lot of calla lilies, which I guess it's cute, but I want the griffin. And I haven't seen the rest. Oh, actually I have gotten the crown of thorns. The seed just looks different from the plant. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.